everyone. Here's a video on how to edit, publish and do SEO for a post using Remediat's website. Here we have previous posts. Go to add new for new posts. Assumed that you already have a written article you're going to publish before you come down here, or you're only coming down here to do SEO for an already uploaded article. So you fix in the top, copy the heading, your topic, paste. So now look at this. So we use mixed caps. Okay, this is the introductory, bit by bit, so that we don't mix up the subtopics with the body. Control V. So this is the first paragraph. Then to get another block, you click enter. The heading. So look at this, the first icon on top, the one that looks like a P facing the opposite side. You click it and you can see this heading. This is heading 2. I advise you go with heading 3. Heading 2 is almost like the same heading with the main topic, which wouldn't look good. So work with heading 3. Copy it out. So you paste. That's that for that paragraph. So heading 3. Remember. So ensure they are mixed caps as mentioned earlier. You can do it in a Word document. The next subtopic that would come under this would be a heading. This is heading 4. If you notice, it's a heading, but it's not as big as the other ones being used. That's because it is a listing directly under these benefits of having a digital agency. So they cannot be and should not be the same heading size. Another thing is, I would advise your paragraphs shouldn't be too long, like this one, Introduction to a Digital Media Agency. You can read through and find somewhere you can make it another paragraph. For SEO, be the topic. Copy. Then go down. There's somewhere for SEO. Look down here. So let's edit this. So look at this. If you notice, you see a green line beneath. Let me Ctrl Z and put back what was there before. Can you see that the line is red? The line is indicating red because it hasn't been properly SEO optimized. You get green. We are using Yoast SEO on WordPress. This is a WordPress site. You get green only when your SEO title is properly optimized to suit the article which you are updating. So here you go. First impression matters. That would determine if someone would click and come to your site. Let me do a quick search on something. Let me type content writing. I want to show you something using the articles that this can as well be edited. You choose what should come up. Then look at the explanation beneath it. Content writing is the process of planning, writing and editing web content, typically blah 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 blah. This can be chosen by you as well. So you're also going to be determining what topic should pop up in search engine. This is the search keyword I used. What search keyword should bring up my topic? So now this is where keyword planner comes in place. You also need to determine which is the best keyword for this article. The reason why you need to determine is because by the time you come here, you would have to type in a focus key phrase, which is your keyword, the focus keyword you want to rank for this article. Ensure that your chosen keyword is actually within this topic, within your first paragraph, as stated earlier, within some of the subtopics, and repeatedly within the body of the articles. For now, you don't have a meta description, so it's still saying please provide a meta description, so you need to edit that as well. So this is the mobile view result, this is the desktop view result, this is what will show on the desktop. So that's how it will come up on search. Let's determine our keyword so that we can put in our focus key phrase here. Your keyword should always be the catchy phrase in the topic, and by the time you search and that keyword is not ranking, you can tweak your topic both to suit the content written and then to suit a nice keyword that you would rank for. So let's go down to our keyword planner. Keyword planner. Okay. So here you go. You type in your keyword. We're going to use digital media. If you want to use separate keywords, you use a comma and space, so that would be one keyword on its own. Digital media and global business. We'll use one of them, whichever one is best. Global business. Okay, now let's get results. Look at this. Digital media is 100 to 1k, yet the competition is low. We can rank for it. Remember when I stated in the previous video, please, if you didn't watch that video, please go ahead to watch it so that you understand why you should choose a keyword, and you understand this explanation of monthly search, competition, top of page bid. I mentioned all that in that video, so I'm assuming right now you understand that part. We'll be working with the digital media keyword. It's a good keyword. So our focus keyword will be digital media. So let's edit our focus keyword to be digital media. Digital. Can you see the SEO score? Look at this part that has SEO. Can you see it's a blank color? There's no color there. But guess what? By the time you finish editing this to suit, and it's perfectly optimized using your keyword planner and all that, you'll get a green there. The SEO part is loading up. Sometimes you may not be able to fully optimize and make it green. It could be complications from the topic, but ensure this SEO part is not red at all. Okay. So we've done that. Impression matters. That will determine if someone would click and come to your site. You will notice that digital media there is in bold. You didn't put it in bold actually. It's the keyword tool you're using on the website that highlighted it, because it matches your focus key